Zanzibar restaurant and bar in Agadir in Morocco. I've come to one of the restaurants and bars here. Where I'm at, they've got a rooftop bar here too. Sorry about the noise, by the way. The football's on tonight as I'm recording this video, because I want to show you one of the spots where you can go for food, cocktail, a few beers if you want. Bear in mind, when you come here, it's a bit more pricey because of Morocco being the Muslim country, so drinks tend to be more expensive anyway, just like it was when I went to Kuala Lumpur in Malaysia. So just be prepared for that. In this separate video I'll show you where you can go for nightlife here, but tonight I'm just going to focus on this place here. So tonight I've ordered bolognese penny pasta, and for cocktail I've ordered espresso martini cocktail. So I'm going to try one of those tonight and see if the food quality is good here, because you are paying more here, a lot more. But this is a nice place. Here's a quick view from where I'm sat right now at this place here. It's super nice here, guys, honestly. Here's my penny bolognese pasta. Bit of cheese on there by the looks of it there too. And also, here's my espresso martini. It's a nice setup here, guys, on a nice table here. I'm going to dig in. Cheers, guys. Nice, so tasty. Very nice indeed. I'm going to try the bolognese penny pasta here. Very, very nice, guys. Food is good here. Nicely cooked, tasty, delicious. Presentation on the plate is really nice too. This is the cream brulee. This costs 70 dirhams. And I know it's expensive, but I'm just having a treat tonight, guys. And then the beer is 55 dirhams. So it's like Singapore prices, well, if you compare it to that, really. But there we are. Cheers, guys. Nice Heineken. The cream brulee. There we go. So you got the ice cream and the cream brulee on top. That is so good, guys. Absolutely delicious. Look at that there. You look at that. It's amazing dish. Well, it's better than the pasta. This is my favourite part of tonight's meal. The pasta were good. I did enjoy the pasta, but that is amazing. Good food here, guys. Expensive, but good food. And they've got nightlife here too. So later there's some music, but the show football here too. I was mistaken when I said there was a rooftop bar. This doesn't, it's just an outside area. The guy was telling me they do shisha outside too, I think. I'll get that double checked, but there's an outside area too. So Zanzibar, guys, is just located down that way, by the way. There's something kicking off down there at the moment, which I'm not going to film, but there's something going on down there. Right guys, I'm going to wrap up the video of Zanzibar restaurant. That is one of the bars you must check out, guys. It's really good in there. Nice food, nice drinks. They've got live music in there. They've got a DJ playing in there. They showed the football, sports on there. It is a bit pricey, I'm not going to lie, but I said to you earlier, you go to Malaysia, you go to Morocco, you know, if you go to Muslim countries and they serve alcohol, they always charge more, don't they? So be prepared to pay more for your drinks here, guys, honestly. Only go to licensed premises here of where you can go. But tonight, just to give you an idea of what to expect, but you can reserve in there. I'll put all the information down in the description below of a telephone number if you want to make a reservation and all that stuff. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and hope to see you guys on the next one.